Are you tired of spending a fortune on motor fuel bills? Do you want to learn some practical tips to reduce your expenses and make your driving more cost-effective? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will share the top 5 tips that will help you save money on fuel and improve your overall driving experience. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Maintain a steady speed. Did you know that excessive speeding and abrupt acceleration can significantly increase your fuel consumption? By maintaining a steady speed and avoiding sudden bursts of acceleration, you can save fuel and reduce your expenses. Tip number 2. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires can cause increased rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel. Regularly check your tire pressure and keep it at the recommended level to ensure optimal fuel efficiency. Tip number 3. Plan your trips efficiently. Combining multiple errands into one trip and planning your route in advance can help you avoid unnecessary miles and reduce fuel consumption. By minimizing the number of short, separate trips, you can save both time and money. Tip number 4. Avoid idling. Leaving your engine running while parked or waiting can consume a surprising amount of fuel. If you anticipate a longer stop, it's more fuel efficient to turn off your engine and restart it when you're ready to go. This simple habit can lead to substantial fuel savings over time. Tip number 5. Keep your vehicle well maintained. Regular maintenance such as oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug inspections can improve your car's fuel efficiency. A well-tuned engine operates more efficiently, resulting in better mileage and lower fuel costs. So there you have it, the top 5 tips to reduce your motor fuel bills. By following these suggestions, you can save money and contribute to a greener environment. Remember, even small changes in your driving habits can make a significant difference in the long run.